Hello dear children, welcome back to the Acknowledge series by Amit Publishing House. I am Vandana and we are doing here your book 6 English grammar book. This is your English grammar book and the name of the book is English Grammar plus Skills Unleashed Workbook. So children, today we are going to start with a new chapter and it is chapter 10 of your book and the name of the chapter is Adverbs. So let's start with the chapter. So an adverb is a word that tells you more about a verb. So adverb एक ऐसा word होता है जो हमें verb के बारे में और ज़्यादा बताता है. Means doing words के बारे में और ज़्यादा बताता है. An adjective or another adverb किसी adjective के बारे में बताता है या फिर किसी और adverb के बारे में और ज़्यादा हमें explain करता है. The boy spoke loudly, the bus moved slowly, she worked very hard, Ria writes fast. So, the bold words loudly, slowly, very and fast are adverbs of different types. So, यहाँ पे जो भी dark color से words लिखे गए हैं ये सारे adverbs हैं अलग अलग types के. Sometimes they tell us more about adjectives. So, कई बार ये जो adverbs हैं ये हमें adjective के बारे में और ज़्यादा बताते हैं. These roses are absolutely beautiful. ये जो roses हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा beautiful हैं. So here absolutely tells us more about the adjective beautiful. So beautiful एक adjective है, so उसके बारे में absolute word और ज़्यादा हमें बता रहा है. This is really kind of you. Really tells us more about the adjective kind. So kind एक adjective है और उसके बारे में जो really word है वो और ज़्यादा बता रहा है कि वो kind कितना kind है. वो बहुत ज़्यादा kind है. They can also modify other adjectives. So ये जो adverbs हैं ये अलग modify कर सकते हैं दूसरे adverbs को. Mia worked extremely hard. The adverb hard is modified by another adverb extremely. So यहाँ पे दो adverbs हैं दोनों एक दूसरे को modify कर रहे हैं. So here extremely and hard both are used. This is a library, please speak very softly. The adverb softly is modified by another verb, very. So, very और softly दोनों यहाँ पे adverb हैं और दोनों एक दूसरे को modify कर रहे हैं. Now, look at the underlined adverbs. Encircle the verbs they modify. So, जो दिए गए adverbs हैं उन्हें देखना है और जो encircle करना है उस verb को जो इसे वो modify कर रहे हैं. Monica spoke softly into the horse's ear. Monica ने softly बोला. So in this, softly is the adverb and the verb that is to be encircled here is spoke. So यहाँ पे spoke है हमारा verb जिसे हमें circle करना है. The teacher was happy with Anil because he had done his homework carefully. So यहाँ पे homework की बात हो रही है. So we have to circle homework here. And the rest is your homework, children. You have to do on your own. Now look at the underlined adverbs. Encircle the adjectives they modify. So in adverbs को हमें देखना है और उसमें जिस भी adjective को modify कर रहे हैं उस adjective को हमें circle करना है. Some people are always angry. So यहाँ पे always word एक adverb है वो किसको modify कर रहा है. So here angry is the word to be encircled. Angry को हमें circle करना है. The whitewash is almost complete. So whitewash जो है complete हो चुका है. So यहाँ पे we have to encircle complete. Rest questions you have to do on your own. Next, the kinds of adverbs on the basis which questions and adverb answers adverb have been classified as under. So adverb जिस क्वेश्चन को आंसर कर रहा है उसके बेसिस पे adverbs को क्लासिफाई किया गया different parts में. So here the kinds of adverbs are adverb of manner. ये क्या बताता है? These adverbs answer the question how or in which manner. So ये adverb बताते हैं कि काम किस तरीके से हो रहा है. Manner बताता है उसका. For example, the tiger runs fast. So tiger क्या कर रहा है? Run कर रहा है. कैसे रन कर रहा है, how, in what manner it is running, so the answer comes fast. The tortoise walks slowly, so tortoise is walking, how the tortoise is walking, so the answer comes slowly. Same, I drive scooter, so how are you driving the scooter, the answer is carefully. Next comes the adverb of place, जो place के बारे में बताता है कि the work is being done at which place. So जो काम हो रहा है वो कौन सी जगह पे हो रहा है. These adverbs answer the question where an action is done or takes place. For example, I am busy, please wait outside. Outside means बाहर. So wait करो, कहाँ wait करो, बाहर wait करो. Suddenly there was a loud noise. So इस वाले में आपको बताना है कि जो noise हो रही है वो कहाँ हो रही है. तो आपने बोला there means वहां पे हो रही है. Our tenants lived upstairs. So हमारे जो tenants थे, किराएदार थे, वो कहाँ रह रहे थे? So answer comes upstairs. So these are adverbs of place. Next comes adverbs of time. These adverbs express the time when an action takes place or is performed. So ये adverb बताते हैं time के बारे में, जब वो काम हो रहा है, किस time पे work हो रहा है. They answer the question when. For example, the match was played yesterday. So match को play किया गया. कब play किया गया? Then the time comes कि yesterday means कल जो बीत गया उसमें खेला गया था. I will finish my homework soon. मैं अपना homework finish कर लूँगा. कब कर लोगे? Soon means जल्दी कर लूँगा. And the movie ended late. Movie जो है खत्म हुई late से. So कब खत्म हुई movie? So answer आया late खत्म हुई. So these are the three kinds of adverbs. Now let's learn about some more. The fourth one is adverbs of frequency. So adverbs of frequency जो है किसी भी काम को करने की frequency बताते हैं, times बताते हैं कि वो काम कितनी बार किया गया है. These adverbs answer the question how often. For example, I take milk twice a day. So एक दिन में 2 बार मैं मिल्क पीता हूँ. So यहाँ पे पूछा जा रहा है कि कितनी बार पीते हो. So answer comes twice. I take a bath every day. कब नहाते हो? Every day नहाते हो. कितनी बार नहाते हो? तो ये नहीं लिखा है, बट यहाँ पे पूछ रहा है कि कब नहाते हो. So answer comes every day. We should always salute the national flag. So क्या करना चाहिए? तो हमेशा always हमें सल्यूट करना चाहिए. सल्यूट कब करना चाहिए? क्वेश्चन आएगा यहाँ पे कि सल्यूट करने का जो काम है वो कब करना चाहिए, ये कितनी बार करना चाहिए. सो ये द आंसर कम्स ऑलवेज मीन्स हमेशा करना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट इज एडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्री. दीज एडवर्ब्स आंसर द क्वेश्चन हाउ मच. ये बताते हैं कि कितनी बार हो रहा है और टू व्हाट एक्सटेंट, किस एक्सटेंट तक वो वर्क हो रहा है. द स्टॉर्म कंप्लीटली डिस्ट्रॉयड द बिल्डिंग. स्टॉर्म ने डिस्ट्रॉय कर दी बिल्डिंग को कंप्लीटली. सो हियर स्टॉर्म ने जो डिस्ट्रॉय की वो कितनी डिस्ट्रॉय की, तो आंसर आ रहा है कंप्लीटली डिस्ट्रॉय की. डिनर इज ऑलमोस्ट रेडी. सो डिनर जो है कितना रेडी है. सो आंसर कम्स ऑलमोस्ट. द न्यू बिल्डिंग हैज बीन डैश मच एडमायर्ड. सो न्यू बिल्डिंग को कितना एडमायर किया गया है. सो आंसर कम्स वेरी मच. सो वेरी इज द एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री. नेक्स्ट कम्स इंटरोगेटिव एडवर्ब्स. इंटरोगेटिव मीन्स asking about some questions. So these adverbs are used to ask questions. For example, how was your journey? Journey कैसी थी? So here how is the adverb used. Why are you sad? So तुम sad हो, क्यों sad हो? So why is used here. And when did the match end? So here when is used for is interrogative adverbs. Now in this exercise, children, you have to encircle the adverbs in the following sentences and write their kinds in the space provided. The first one has been done for you. So your example is given. He looked down. So down is here the adverb. Adverb है यहाँ पे. वो कौन सा adverb है? Adverb of place. Place बता रहा है कि कहाँ देख रहा है, तो आपने बोला नीचे देख रहा है. The she seldom tells lie. So यहाँ पे जो है वो कब बोलती है, तो आपने बोला मैम वो seldom बोलती है, तो seldom here is the adverb. You have to circle this, and seldom is adverb of frequency. So here we have to write adverb of frequency. कब बोलती है, तो आपने बोला कभी नहीं बोलती है या कभी कभार बोलती है. Next, D question, we write the following sentences replacing the words in italics with suitable adverbs. So words कुछ आपको यहाँ पर दिख रहे होंगे italics में लिखे हुए, उन words की जगह पे एक नया adverb आपको डालना है. We talked in a pleasing manner की जगह पे हमें कोई दूसरा word डालना है. तो pleasing manner की जगह पे हम कौन सा word डाल सकते हैं? We can write here, we talked in a beautiful way, or we can write any adverb, beautifully. We talked beautifully, or we talked silently, or any other word you can write down here. So children, like this you have to do the rest of the questions. Now fill in the blanks with the suitable adverbs. The Indian Army fought dash and it won. So the Indian Army fought bravely and it won. He looked at the thief curiously. So here we can write curiously, and the rest is your homework you have to do on your own. Now, what is comparing with adverbs? So adverbs में भी comparison होता है, जैसे हम adjectives में comparison करते हैं, so वैसे ही हमें adverbs में भी comparison करना होता है. Like adjectives, adverbs can be used to make comparison. To compare two actions, use the comparative form. जब दो को compare करना है तो हमें comparative form use करना है, that is ER. और to compare more than two actions, दो से ज़्यादा करने के लिए we use the superlative form, that is EST. For example, Mohan arrived later than her. So यहाँ पे मोहन और हर के बीच में comparison हो रहा है. So here late becomes later, and I arrived dash of all. सबके बीच में comparison हो रहा है. So here late becomes latest. Means the superlative degree is used here. If the adverbs end with ly, अगर adverb के last में ly है, add more or most to make comparison. So ऐसे words में हमें या तो more लगाना है या फिर most लगाना है. So for example here, skillfully becomes more skillfully in comparative degree and most skillfully in superlative degree. Similarly, frequently and heavily becomes more frequently and more heavily in comparative form, and most frequently and most heavily in superlative or imperative form. When you compare actions or qualities that are less rather than more. So जब हम ऐसे एक्शन या क्वालिटी को कंपेयर करते हैं जो कम होते हैं than more से, use less to form the comparative and least for the superlative. So जब कम है वो ज़्यादा से कम है तो हमें या तो comparative degree में use करना है less और superlative degree में use करना है least. For example, Sahi swims less often than I do. So यहाँ पर comparative degree का use हुआ है. Their teacher complains least often of all. So यहाँ पे superlative degree है, so that's why we have used least here. Do not combine the ER ending with the words more than EST ending with the word most. So ER वाले words को more के साथ नहीं combine करना है और EST वाले words को हमें most के साथ combine नहीं करना है. For example, here we can see Sahil swims more straighter. अब यहाँ पे ER भी लगा और more भी लगा, so this one is wrong. इसके place पे हम लिखेंगे more हटा के Sahil swims straighter than her. All of the boys we worked most hardest. So यहाँ पे most हट जाएगा और यहाँ पे सिर्फ hardest रह जाएगा. So first one is incorrect and the second option is correct. Some adverbs have irregular form of comparison. So कुछ adverbs ऐसे होते हैं जो irregular form में होते हैं, means उसकी spelling पूरी तरह से change हो जाती है. For example, well becomes better and best, badly becomes worse and worst, little becomes less and least, and much becomes more and most. So now we have to write down the comparative degree in the second blank, and the last blank we have to write down the superlative forms of the adverbs that are given here. So rapidly becomes more rapidly in the comparative form and most rapidly in the superlative form. क्यों? क्योंकि इसके लास्ट में ly लगा हुआ है. नेक्स्ट इज हार्ड. हार्ड जो है हार्डर हो जाएगा कंपैरेटिवली और हार्डेस्ट हो जाएगा सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में. So children, rest of the questions you have to do on your own. Now, write adverbs of comparison to complete this report. So here we have to use the comparative degree. यहाँ पे हमें comparative degree use करनी है इस report को fill करने के लिए. The annual sports day at Vasant Junior School was held on 15th September 2019. Many students participated in the sack race and the relay race. Money from Kalidas house ran dash than Kapil, faster than Kapil. From Tulsidas house. Tulsidas house bagged the first prize in the sack race. And so children, like this, like we have done the first one, rest of the questions you have to do on your own. Now rewrite these sentences with the comparative degree of the underlined adverbs and the words in bracket with the correct places. So यहाँ पे जो words underline है उनकी जगह पे हमें comparative degree लिखनी है. ये जो bracket में words है इनको भी इस line में insert करना है. For example, the first one is I shall work hard in school का बन जाएगा hard. We have to use a comparative, so harder हो जाएगा. So I shall work harder in school from tomorrow. So or we can write from tomorrow I shall work harder in school. Namita plays the veena skillfully. So here we can write Namita plays the veena more skillfully than anyone I know. And rest of the questions you have to do on your own. So children, by this we have completed the chapter that is adverbs, and I hope that you have understood the different kinds of adverbs we have learned in this chapter. So you have to complete the homework that is given to you here, the work, the exercises that is given to you, and also learn the rules that we have learned here in this chapter. So children, I'll be waiting for you with a new video and a new chapter. Till then, stay tuned.